This is an excerpt from Peter Ralston's new book, Ending Unnecessary Suffering, coming out in March of 2025. What if there was one simple principle that could transform and empower your ability to live life more effectively, interact with and understand others better, increase your ability to discover and learn, improve your mental sharpness and state of mind, and enliven your perspective? What's more, it's something everyone can do, and if everyone did adopt it, the whole planet would improve, conflict would decrease, and growth would be accelerated. Would you be up for adopting such a principle? This simple principle could be called questioning. Yet there can be differing views about what is meant by questioning, so what I'm referring to could be misunderstood. In order for it to work as advertised, the actual principle needs to be understood correctly. So let me elaborate and see if I can clarify what I mean. The kind of questioning I'm talking about begins by acknowledging that we may not know something. This not knowing isn't a negative malady or a willful ignorance. It doesn't deny what is known or avoid what might be discovered. It simply opens the door to grasping what's true beyond our current level of knowing or consciousness. It is not possible to question or learn or discover anything without not knowing being available to us. Think about it. How can you learn something if you already know it? That's called knowing, not learning. Ending Unnecessary Suffering is coming out in March of 2025. To pre-order now, click the link in the description.